Well, I changed the oil on my YZ250FX, and what I found, it wasn't good. So what I actually found in the oil is something what nobody wished to find in there. And let's talk about it, how I ended up being there to have these things in the oil. And to start with, currently the bike has 20 hours in it overall. I change the oil in every 5 hours. This time I changed it in 4.5 hours. And well, unfortunately I found a lot of bronze pieces in there, like a steel looking pieces in there, and none of them look promising, because before, every time I changed the oil, it was nice and clean, except this time. The way I think I get there, I kinda blame it on Yamaha, and the reason for that, because you can adjust the RPM range. You can adjust it so much, you can go up to 13,500 if you want to. I didn't do that, but I done 10,500, which way more than is set from factory. Now I'm down on 8,500, but before I done that, I heard a kind of unpleasant sound when I revved the engine up, and I thought, well, this is the time to change the RPM, because even if Yamaha letting me to go up to 10,500, it's just not good to be there. The engine is not happy at 10,500 RPM at all. So I went back to 8,500 and everything works fine now. But the oil in the engine is really concerns me, because this bike with 20 hours in it, it should not show that much of a wear. Other thing what I done is I'm messing with the clutch a lot, so maybe something from there, but you know, at this point everything is just guessing, because I kinda keep the engine on that point when it's still holding but it's not moving the bike, just to practice like tricks and stuff. And back to what I think is Yamaha fault, I don't think they should let people to go up to 13,500, and matter of fact 10,500, unless if Yamaha thinking like, oh, they're gonna mess up the engine and they will buy a new bike and that will be a Yamaha. I don't know, probably not, but I don't see any rational reason why the hell they're letting the engine revving up that much and it cannot take it. I literally heard a noise from the engine. Literally heard that cracking sound from the engine like there is no more. Crazy! Anyway, I used what I think is the best oil in the planet, and it's made by Honda. Maybe they interfered with each other as a brand, and Honda kinda screwed the engine in my Yamaha. I doubt it. But the oil I'm using is a Repsol oil, and I really like it because It's kind of like a traditional type of oil, not that Motul, very fancy red looking oil. It's more of a traditional looking oil in a fancy minerals added to it, so it works very well. But it's still like traditional. The viscosity, the way it looks, it's kind of like a honey, which is, I think, it's very suitable for these bikes, the 4-strokes. Not so much for the 2-stroke, but for these 4-strokes, yeah, very much. So I'm probably looking at an engine rebuild sometimes soon, even if I really don't want to do that, especially not in 20 hours. But this bike, I didn't use it like most of you do. More of the guys who actually racing with it. That's the kind of treatment this bike went through. It was treated like there is no tomorrow, and just give me all the fun that you can today, and the bike delivered until 20 hours, and now it's kind of say no more. Well, we will see how far it goes. Lovely. After work, I have a lot of energy. I just need to burn it, or burn the bike with it. I love it. I just love it.